Are you struggling to get your C Spec and Shindo on Xbox? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in a few simple steps. So first, let's start with getting the right Game Pass. This unlocks everything that you need for your C Spec. So without it, you're missing out on key features that are going to make your gameplay smoother. Now, once you have it, you'll be ready to move to the next step, okay? Next, you're going to need to grind your levels. Leveling up might take time, but it's super important for unlocking your C Spec. So focus on completing missions and fighting bosses, and always be sure to grab the experience boost whenever you can. All right? Once you've leveled up, go to the C Spec training area. This is where you're going to practice and improve your skill. Spend some time getting comfortable with the controls so that you can master your abilities faster. All right? Now, don't forget to use your C Spec abilities wisely. They are super powerful, but need timing. Use them at the right moment during battles to gain an advantage. So, lastly, keep practicing. The more you play, the better you're going to get, and soon you're going to be a pro at C Spec. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.